Hi guys, welcome back. I would like to share you on the knowledge I gained after listening to the article on top 10 rules for success by Oprah Winfrey. I thought I would like to share this with you. This is just my understanding after I read that article. Okay, for someone who doesn't know who is Oprah Winfrey, she's a very successful lady who comes in American TV shows, talk shows, and etc. So what does she tell? Let's see. Okay, the number one rule is focus on service. Everybody has different talent and everybody can't become famous, but everybody can become great by doing service, is what she tells. So any energy you put on jealousy or envy is only going to take a negative toll on yourself. So spend or rather invest all your energy into what you can offer others, is what she's telling, is the number one rule. Okay, the number two rule is use every experience. Okay, use every experience of yours in whatever you have learned so far, or whatever you have taught so far as an experience for life. Okay, so that is what any good or bad experience that you've gone throughout your life, throughout your life, has to be invested in a proper way. Okay, number three, yes, be a great reader, is what she tells. So what is that is reading is the strongest signal for success, is what she believes and she tells, and I also believe that. Okay, and she quotes all great readers at a very young age are more successful people. Reading is absolutely the best foundation ever. And the more you read, you can articulate, speak, and command the language in the ways other people cannot do. So the more you read, the more benefit you get. Okay, so the number fourth rule is fill your cup. So what does she mean by that is you should do something like meditation or prayer or any spiritual practices whichever you believe that actually gives back to you. Okay, nourishes you and fills your cup, is what she is mentioning, and absolutely agree to that. Okay, and she also mentions if your cup is dry, okay, you become very tired, you become exhausted, and you have not much to give others. Okay, so the number one job you can do is to fill yourself, fill your cup, and make yourself a very wholesome person by practicing meditation or whatever means you would like it. Okay, the number five rule is build trust. What she tells is while money is also important, she also tells it is very important to gain people's trust who is surrounding you. Number sixth rule is get in sync with your life. So what does she tell by that is in this point she talks a lot on the power of meditation. She tells it helps you to seek you up with the source, allows you to tap into the power that created you. So meditation helps you to be aligned with God or that divine energy, whatever you call it to be. Okay, when you get in sync with your life, life will give a lot back to you, is what she enforces in this point, the power of meditation. Number seven, set boundaries. Look within yourself and see what you want it to be. Okay. Number eight, be open and vulnerable. Okay, she says all of them have emotions, feelings, and pain. The more you are open, the more you're vulnerable with your story, the more powerful you become. Okay, nobody is going to underestimate you, or people don't make you feel less when you share your own story very openly. Everybody have their own pain, feelings, and emotions, so you must have a courage to open it up. Number ninth rule is relax. Okay, she tells to be very relaxed, stop being afraid. Okay, no matter what you're going through in your life, it is going to get resolved, whatever it may be. Okay, so be confident and be relaxed at every time. Number 10th rule is surprise your fans, is what you're telling. Maybe we can take it as surprise your loved ones. It's very important to surprise your loved ones with whatever small things it may make them very happy. Okay, that's what she tells. So I love these 10 points on what she talks, and I strongly believe it does make a lot of sense. Okay, I thought I would share it with you. Hope you liked it. Thank you, and let's see in a different topic altogether next time.